Good evening. Today I am going to do one new video regarding Windows Server 2012. Includes version of 8.0 of Internet Information Service IIS, and the new version contains new features such as SNI, CPU usage caps for particular websites, centralized management of SSL certificates, WebSocket support, and improved support for NUMA, but few other substantial changes were made. So now just we'll open it and we'll check what are the advanced features in Windows Server 2012 and what are included version. So now I'll open Google Chrome and there I'll type as Windows Server 2012, and here we can see Windows Server 2012 R2 is there. Just click on it. Get started for free. Download the ISO. Click on it. So here you have to fill the details and download option is there. Just after downloading, here you can see in desktop now we have to open Rufus. So before that you have to download Rufus, and after downloading Rufus, just open Rufus and insert any 8 to 16 GB pen drive, and then make sure that your pen drive data is copied in some other device. If not, your data will be completely vanished. So now start option, and here warning has been came that your pen drive data will be removed. So it has been completed. Restart your system, and after restarting your system you can see Windows Server 2012 R2 has been appeared. Install now. Setup is starting. Operating system next. Here Microsoft Windows setup is there. Partition 1 recovery. Okay. Erase, delete all the partitions so that you will get more space. Next. See, I am sorry that this video is somewhat shaking because I am catching phone in other hand. I am recording and then I am doing recording with another hand. So I am extremely sorry for that. And getting device ready, 70, 90, 100% has been completed. Finish. You have to give username, password, and then finish. Administrator, Windows Server 2012 R2. See, server manager has been here, and here you can see uh, Windows Server 2012. So I just opened it, and here server manager dashboard is a config this local server and add roles and features, refresh it, screen resolution, mobile PC display, landscape, and refresh. So this way you can download it, and you can see for advanced features and all. Server manager is there, administrator is there, and here you can see many features. Administrative tools is there. So hope if you find this video is good and somewhat informative, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.